The next speaker is Swapan Dasgupta.
Thank you, sir. Sir, depending on which way the House decides, today will either be a turning point in the history of our democracy, or it will be a day when history will refuse to turn. So I say this because if we look at the Constituent Assembly, it empowered governments to do two particular measures. First is, it decided to allow governments to be proactive in giving people economic empowerment and social empowerment. Hence, we had affirmative action in various spheres. But there was also another sphere, sir, and that was Article 44, which, among other things, decided on a uniform civil code, which meant that governments were encouraged to undertake a policy of social reform. And social reform, we have seen, was carried out in a major way in the 1950s. Various Hindu code bills were passed, some with opposition, some unanimously. The Special Marriages Act was passed. But, sir, it is interesting that the Muslim personal laws are governed by the law which was passed in 1937, and another one, the Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act in 1939. And since then, there has been no occasion. There have been changes in values, there have been changes in social conditions. No attempt has been made to even touch this. This is, to my mind, completely inexplicable, but perhaps it tells us that underlying this belief in secularism, sir, is also a notion of differentiated citizenship, which says that one citizen is more equal than others, sir. And I would say that one of the most important things today is that for the first time, an attempt has been made, however tentatively, to address questions of Muslim social reform. It is an important first step. It is a very, very important first step, because here this was a subject which was to be left untouched by all governments because they feared the political vote banks, they feared political recrimination. So I compliment it, and therefore this is only a half measure. It's a very small measure, because the main body of the Muslim Personal Sharia Application Act of 1937 has a lot of iniquities which have to be addressed, but that comes for a later day. But at least a beginning has been made, and I compliment the government for it.
Thank you.